Hi, my name is Jeff Chappell. I'm a friend of Jim and Cindy's, and I'm their plumber and gas fitter, and this is the big bus.
Today Jim is going to be cutting out this roof line here to put in the hood, which is actually right behind me. Another adjustment to the pig bus, and welcome to our pink pig bus. Thanks for staying with us. If you like our channel, you want to support us, please subscribe and ring the bell below for notifications. We're excited to have you here. We're excited to be videoing again, and we're just happy. We can't wait to get this thing on the road. Okay, have fun watching.
It's one of those times in life when you just know that it's right. It's one in a lifetime. For the first time in my life, I'm right on the edge now. I'm looking down. No matter how hard I try, can't see the ground. I'm on the edge now, taking the lead, taking a chance.
Welcome to the pig bus.